Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you are going to learn how to write a powerful article on road safety in English. I will guide you through the complete structure of article writing, including how to create a strong title, write an engaging introduction, add relevant points, and end with a convincing conclusion. You will also learn how to include real-life concerns, safety rules, and responsible behavior in your writing so that your article stands out and connects with the reader. Watch till the end and you will be able to write your own article on road safety without confusion. Let's get started. Road safety. In today's rapidly moving world, road safety is a major issue. With the increasing number of vehicles on the road, accidents have also been on the rise. According to recent government reports, India records over 1.5 lakh deaths every year due to road traffic accidents. Making it one of the highest in the world. Careless driving, speeding, and violating traffic laws are major causes of accidents. Ensuring road safety is not the responsibility of the government alone. It is a responsibility that rests with all of us who use the roads. Carelessness is one of the major causes of accidents. Many people do not wear seat belts or helmets, and some even talk on the phone while driving. Drinking and driving, as well as running traffic lights increase the chances of fatal injuries or death. Pedestrians are also responsible when they do not use crossroads or footbridges. Adherence to traffic rules is the key to ensuring road safety. Drivers must follow speed limits and stay within their lanes. Wearing helmets and seat belts can be a lifesaver. Schools and social organizations can organize awareness campaigns to educate people about road safety. Well-designed roads and effective traffic enforcement are also necessary. Road safety is a collective responsibility. A moment of carelessness can result in a lifetime of regret. By being vigilant, disciplined, and responsible, we can reduce accidents and make our roads safer for all. Let us promise to follow traffic rules and give precedence to human life above everything else.